Yo guys, it is the 30th of December. There's a small car meet happening here in Joburg. Apparently this is for the elite of the elite. So we pulled out today with Kolas in his Supra over there. Oh god. As you can see, it's pissing. My socks are now wet. But first off, I mean, we got this S2K here, and it's looking pretty fucking mint if you ask me. God damn. Look at those wheels, bro. Shit, this thing is nice. Look at that. Damn. Oh, fuck. That's a nice car. Got that Beetle over there. Nice and green as well. Maybe we just walk around all the cars. Nah? Yeah. Just do a walk around on all the cars. This green Beetle. Lime green, I think. Pretty decent. Got some nice seats inside. Quite clean. Got the louvers here on the back. Quite a clean car. We have this Golf 4 here. Apparently it was made by Crutch. There is a Jetta 4 fake taxi. Got this Polo as well, pulling in. Polo GT with some Jeep wheels. Can hear the air. This fake taxi is actually quite nice. Fitment on point. Look like the arches may be flared. Definitely in the back, I guess. Really looks cool. And here we have a M3. Also looking cool. Quite nice. We have this 330D. He was also from my area. Supposed to live together, but he was too fast. Looking pretty mint. Here we have the hey Mark 3 Supra, Celica Supra, the Dragon. You can see he finished up his livery on the car, looking quite nice. What's up, Kolas?
What's happening?
What's going on? Here we have a nice Mark 2 as well, with some 52s on it. Mark 2 is quite nice. This is the GTI I think we saw on the highway. It was actually quite low. Looks quite nice. Two-door also. Definitely cool. And we got a Golf 4 as well. Nice brown interior. Golf 7R, also looking quite cool. Can smell the weed that the people are smoking. Quite nice. Got this Beetle also slammed on the ground. Looks like he got a flat tire though. But looks quite nice. Quite nice. Really clean. Audi A3, S3, not sure. All the way from Mpumalanga though. Looks quite cool as well. Quite nice. I want to direct your attention though to the studio here, but then we're gonna do a walk around on that car there, right? So here's a carry, W carry, looks quite cool. Got this Audi as well, probably on A as well, Miata. This thing is nice, really cool. Slam down to the ground, quite nice. Yeah, quite cool. So this is Superfly, guys. I think he's quite well known here in South Africa. He has the anime wrap on his car. He also did the lines like collars. This is 002, yes, from the anime. I've got the name of the anime. Shit. I remember I was watching it, but anyway, I forgot the name. Yeah, it looks pretty cool though. Fitment on point. It is quite Superfly. So I don't think we did a walk around on this here. What's this? Jetta? Or is it a Fox? I think it's a Fox. But yeah, pretty cool car. Quite low as well. Got some nice interior. You can see that fitment is on point. I hope he has air though, because I don't think it's drivable. You can see the seats, and we can see just from this angle it's quite nice. Got a cold air intake coming out there from one of the fog lights. But a pretty clean car overall. We also have the 7 GTI. This thing is quite nice. Of everything. Quite cool. Fitment on point as well. Probably has air as well. You can see the back is tucked nicely. Front is also a bit tucked. Look like it has some standard interior. A bit of a spoiler going on here. But overall, quite nice if you ask me. Sorry for the shaking. Got an umbrella in one hand and the phone in another. Then we also have this here Polo GT. Now, look at this fitment, guys. God damn. A bit of rusting happening there because probably scraping, probably some cracks. Quite a nice car though. Quite a nice car. Wheels are nice. Some Audi wheels. Quite nice. Some Velcro for the number plate. Cool.